So here's the question. Why should you care about the app development process? Well, stick with me and you'll find out exactly why. But before we get started, I want to personally invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I really appreciate it when you do. I just want to ask you to help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and be sure and click the bell icon too, so you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. Because if you like this content, I'm going to give you a lot more like it and even better. Now, let's dig in. Every business owner needs a mobile app for his or her business. Why? Because mobile apps offer consumers a quality customer service experience around the clock at no extra cost. It's a no-brainer. In-app offers and promotions through mobile apps help create customer engagement and customer loyalty. In short, they help promote your brand and create brand loyalty. The process of creating a successful mobile business app is not necessarily straightforward. It entails picking the appropriate platforms, developing the front end of the mobile app, developing and testing and launching or deploying the app, as well as providing ongoing customer support and maintenance. Now, overall, it can best be described as a 5-step process. The first step is user profile development. Setting up the user profile is the first step, and this step specifies the data that will be made accessible via the mobile app, and that data is what drives the overall business logic for a particular business use case. Second step is user interface development. Now, there's a rudimentary framework known as a wireframe, which serves as the UI designer's template for designing the user interface. As a visual aid, it uses a page schematic or screen blueprint, so a UI designer starts the brainstorming phase with wireframes and proceeds through a fairly standard UI design process, which is an essential step in the development of mobile apps. Third is the main app development process. App development, we'll call it. The heart of the creation process is the app development cycle, which implements the bread and butter business logic. This is the implementation phase of the waterfall methodology, developing the business logic driven by the user profile repositories. It includes functional integration testing, and its effectiveness depends on the development team having a thorough understanding of the app's overall design concept. Fourth is app testing. The process of developing a mobile app must include rigorous app testing. Once an app has been created, thorough testing of the app is essential. Quality assurance engineers are assigned to set up the appropriate test scenarios and thoroughly test the functionality before the app is launched in order to assure the required level of app quality. And the fifth step is the app launch. Once the app is ready for launch, it is directed to Google Play or Apple's App Store for application distribution, depending on the app platform you've selected. Once your app is published in the App Store, it goes through a review process that could take some time to complete. Now, there is no review process for Android apps, so within a few hours of submission, your software is accessible on the Play Store for Android. Now, before you go, again, I just want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate it when you do. I just want to ask you to help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and be sure and click the bell icon too, so you'll be notified as soon as I come out with a new video. Because if you like this content, and I'm sure you did, then you will definitely get content like it or even better in the future. Now, we love to hear from our viewers. So if you have any comments, be sure and leave them below the video, and take a look at the follow-on steps as well. If you have any questions, be sure and leave those below the video, and we'll get back to you with responses to your questions. And be sure and look at the follow-on steps as well, and subscribe. Again, subscribe to my channel, and take a look at subscribing to my Facebook group as well. Now, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.